Going to check out the car show, me and my lovely boy here. And I'm just going to show you him walking by people and cars. So I thought that was nice. Look at these cars. And look, we're going to go through a crowd. Look at all these beautiful cars. Look at that. Here's Diesel just chilling. Look at that. Size of the engine on that. Isn't that right, Bubs? And look at all these people walking around us. And does it look like my dog's aggressive, Vicky and Luann? This is for you. And we're just chilling, relaxing, doing our thing.
Is that going to hurt his tail dragging?
Nope. He's been doing it for years. Beautiful. Beautiful cars. Beautiful. Look at that, Bubs. Let's go look at this purple one. Let's go look at this purple one over here. Isn't that beautiful, Bubba? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Love the engine on this. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. So wonderful looking things. These are beautiful looking. And that's it, everybody. That's our outlook for today. Just showing the district manager, Luann, and her assistant, Big Bad Vicky, who seems to be the queen of knowing everything about dogs. That my breed is apparently vicious. Well, it isn't. Here's the proof. Especially around all these people and cars. Later. Isn't that right, Bubs? Later, everybody. Look at that beautiful car.